Water beneath a water heater can travel downward from almost anywhere, so don't assume the tank has failed until you trace the first wet point. Turn off the heater's electricity or gas using its approved shutdown procedure. If water is actively pooling, close the cold water supply and protect the surrounding floor. Dry the exterior, then inspect from top to bottom. Water from a loose connection at the top can run beneath the outer jacket and appear at the base. On gas models, temporary condensation can also form during operation, but recurring pooling still needs investigation. Next, inspect the drain valve near the bottom. If moisture begins around its outlet or body, the valve may be loose, partially open, or damaged. Don't force a plastic valve because it can break. Look at the temperature and pressure relief discharge pipe. Water released higher on the tank may travel down and collect underneath. Never plug or cap this safety pipe. Discharge can indicate excessive pressure, thermal expansion, overheating, or a faulty valve. On electric models, a leaking heating element gasket may also send water down behind the access cover. Keep the power off if that area is wet. If water emerges from the tank's bottom seam or through the jacket, internal corrosion is the likely cause. A leaking tank cannot be patched safely and normally requires replacement. Where did you find the first wet point, the drain valve, relief pipe, connection, or tank seam? Comment below.